Hello people! As explained in the introduction video, selecting the appropriate equipment and chemicals to clean fabric upholstery is truly important. The reason is that some chemicals may be too harsh for delicate fabrics and may result in damage, such as faded colors. So, what are the appropriate equipment and chemicals to clean fabric upholstery? The equipment required to clean fabric is fairly simple, such as a vacuum cleaner to suck up dust and dirt off fabric surfaces safely, a lint roller to facilitate the removal of lints or other small fibers from upholstery, a soft bristle hand brush to brush off dirt and dust from crevices, a bucket to carry water or to dilute chemicals, a soft cloth for buffing or polishing, a blow dryer to dry the fabric after cleaning. Yellow sign. These are the cleaning equipment that you need to clean fabric upholstery. As for the cleaning chemicals, here are what you need: liquid or powder fabric detergent, cleaning shampoo, stain remover, warm water. So, that's all cleaning equipment and chemicals required to clean fabric upholstery according to the Asian standard. On the next video, you will learn how to prepare work sites for fabric upholstery cleaning activity, nurturing you to grow.